guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm unboxing my ring lights. I bought it at TAKEALOT about a week ago, so it came early, like literally early. I was sleeping. TAKEALOT is very serious. They're very serious about their business. Like, because most of the time online missing a fake. So for that I am happy. So just going to open so here, it's the stand. It's my first time having a ring light, so you can imagine how excited I am. You can imagine how excited I am about this, but gotta keep going. So this is the light. Oh, I bought this ring light. I bought this ring light, so it was 170. It was on sale, so that is why I just rushed and bought it. Yeah. No. Oh, the price is not here, but yeah, it was 170. So I don't know how to really like put it together, but I'll see. This is the light. Oh, it's quite huge. It's quite huge. And then there's this. Yeah, so I'm just going to try. Oh, I don't know. How do you like? I'm just going to try. Oh, screw. There's a screw here. I don't know what it's for. Ah. Okay. Oh, so there's a screw. Until we adjust the using you have to. So the advice and so you should before you buy online, you should check my comments. You should check ukuthi abantu abaningi bakhala ngokuthi leyo nto inani, so that ungawuzithengi. For example, most ring lights awakwazi ukuthi like ufake iphone esindayo because ayawa. So every time ungabe nje uzothenga online, you have to read the comments, you know, so that ungeke uzuthenga into and then regret it. So I'm just going to try and get this together. I don't know how, but I know I can do it. I can do it. So yeah, this part has to be attached here. That I know. No need to be told. I feel like there's a lot of screwing and unscrewing happening. Oh, I want to see the length. I want to see the length of the stand. So I want to see the length. Oh, this is it. Okay. When sitting down, it's good. If you mostly do your video sitting down, this is very good. So yeah. Wow, but I am back. I don't know, this video is gonna be very weird because I don't know why ngikhuluma nje. So yeah, I'll just put this here. And then I don't know. Okay, so hey, there's a lot of stuff you screw and unscrew, you screw and unscrew. It's a lot. So I don't know. Oh yeah, I'm a genius. Put it. Okay. What's about this round thing here? I thought I was going to put it like this, but I don't want to end up breaking things. I don't want to force it in. Just going to do it like this. Oh no. One thing I know is that I was told that I can use the stand. I can use the stand on its own without the ring. So in that case, I can be able to put this. Oh, it is adjustable. So great. I can put this on the stand, and then take videos. So I'm just going to.
A few moments later.
But ngimanagile ukuyenza on my own. So lana it was easy. Kahle iphathe ngihlula ila on top. So let me just. Oh my god, you guys, this ring light is very long. Like it is very long. Kwamina nje angihlula nge-height. So yeah, this is it. It was very easy to put it together. It's just that it's very confusing. You have to think ukuthi hayi lokhu kuzongena la, hayi lokhu kuzongena la. But masuwenzile now uyabona ukuthi it's not that hard. So yeah, leli bhola lela, you have to force it in. Let me just show you. You have to force it in, and then you can be able to like move this thing. Yabo. Ebese kube lokhu ke to put it uze ingeke izifo yakho. So this is it. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and like this video if you want to see more of my videos. Ring lights. So I'm gonna be very active on YouTube and on social media and everywhere, because ring lights is the only thing that I needed. So thank you. Bye.